Hello everyone. I know what you're thinking. Who is this imposter putting out 2 videos in a single week on Seraphine and Brooklyn's channel? Well, it's not an imposter. I just have a very quick unboxing to do because I received this package in the mail from DoNotAge. They are a company that produces just the sort of anti-aging supplements that I have taken such a passionate interest in the past couple of years, and I'm super excited. This was a giveaway that was put together by Claudia from Claudia Glows, who is probably the most kind, authentically generous, and just a radiant goddess of anti-aging. So check out her channel if you aren't already following her. But she organized this with the CEO of DoNotAge, and I was the lucky winner. And there could not be a more excited recipient of these products. Like, these are things that I wanted to try, and they were like too expensive for me to buy, all at once. But I was really surprised and thrilled. What's in here? So we've got a year's supply of 6 products, and then I don't know how long this pure NMN powder will last, but I cannot wait to try that. I currently take NR, and I've never tried NMN, so thank you, Claudia and DoNotAge. So what else is in here? The most exciting, well, in addition to NMN, they have a Cert6 activator. This is well, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there we go. This is something I have not seen elsewhere. I believe it's one of their newer products. I could be wrong about that, but it's an all-natural product derived from seaweed. Yes, it is the first and only of its kind in the world, activating sirtuin-6 and promoting DNA repair, reducing genomic instability, reducing inflammation. I mean, this is a big deal. I am so thrilled. They've also given me pure resveratrol, pure hyaluronic acid, and the key here is that it's high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which can be difficult to determine. A lot of companies that produce this don't advertise that. I don't even know if they know. It's like you reach out to customer service and people don't know how to answer your question if you inquire about it. Pure TMG, which stands for trimethylglycinate, or is it glycine? Glycine. This helps with the methylation process and is very helpful to use with NMN to get the best result. And quercetin, as well as, let's see, there's one more thing in here. Yes, spermidine. And I was in the process of researching manufacturers of this because I really wanted to try it next, add it to my rotation. So anyway, I'm ecstatic. Again, thank you, Claudia. Thank you, Alan from DoNotAge, and I'm so grateful. And everyone, go check out DoNotAge and check out Claudia's channel. Okay, bye bye.